Hello friends, this is Miss Smith. Today we're going to round to the nearest hundred. First we're going to start by counting by hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, and it goes on and on. To begin, we're going to look at the number 438. We need to find what hundreds are between the number 438. So what number would be before 438? We have 200, 300, 400, and 500. 400 is the number right before 438. If you look in the hundreds place, it begins with 4. The next number that would be after 438 would be 500, because 500 comes after 400. Next, I'm going to go to number 2. Type the number that is exactly halfway between the hundreds. So our number is 400 and 500. We know that 50 is half of 100. So half of 400 and half of 500 would be 450. Third, we're going to put the number on the number line. So we're going to place 438 on the number line where it's supposed to go. If you look at each dash on the number line, it is counting by tens. So, 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, and 450. So if we go back to 430, this is 410, 420, 430. This is our 430 mark. The number provided is 438. So would that need to be closer to the 430 or 440? It would need to go closer to the 440 mark, but not all the way there, because we are 2 numbers away in the ones place from 440. Now I need to think about which hundred the number is closer to. So 438 is closer to 400. That means the 438 rounds to 400. So we will type in our box here, 438 rounds to 400, because it is closer to 400 on the number line than it is to 500. Now I want to show you one more. So let's look at how to round a 4-digit number. Even though this is a 4-digit number, we are still rounding it to the nearest hundred. We are looking at 1,439. Now I need to figure out which hundreds 1,439 would be between. So I'm going to count my hundreds. 1,000, 1,300, 1,400, and 1,500. To determine what numbers will be between 1,439, we need to look right here at this 4 in the hundreds place. We need to put 1,400 at the beginning of the number line, because our number 1,439 has a 4 in the hundreds place, making it 1,400 to begin with. After 1,400 comes 1,500, because 5 would be our next number after 4 in the hundreds place. Second, we're going to type in the number that is exactly halfway between the hundreds. Remember, 50 is half of 100. So half of 1,400 and 1,500 would be 1,450. Third, I need to determine where my number 1,439 will go on the number line. Remember, each dash is still counting by tens because we're looking at the hundreds place. So 1,410, 1,420, 1,430, 1,440, and 1,450. If this is 1,430 and this is 1,440, which one would 1,439 be closer to? It would be closer to 1,440, but not directly on because it's not 1,440 quite yet. Last, I need to determine which hundreds the number is closer to. So 1,439, would it be closer to 1,400 or 1,500? It is closer to 1,400 on this number line. So my number 1,439 rounds to the nearest hundred, 1,400. Remember, boys and girls, we learned today how to round to the nearest hundred. Remember to always look at your hundreds place. That is the 1, 2, 3, the third number in your number. Thank you. I hope you enjoy.